we should be close. Well, actually we are live, aren't we? Alright, very good. Oh, wait, what's this over here? Let's close that. And let's reopen this one over here. Hey, thanks so much for stopping by, friend. Anyway, just as a little teaser of coming attractions, we got this right here. What's this? Well, this is a Quattro document for Project 1 using Python. Okay? So we're on Project 9 today. We finish Project 10 in 2 more weeks. We're going to start over again back on Project 1. We're going to do the whole thing over again using ChatGPT to write the Python code for us. How about that? So be sure to mark your calendars. Okay, be sure to click that bell icon so that you'll know whenever I go live or upload new content, because I have been uploading some shorter content, sort of on the spare of the moment, answering a question or something like that. So subscribe, like, click the bell icon, be notified whenever I go live. Okay. So right now, let's come back over here. Let's just set ourselves up here. Let's go over here. Let's just call this Project 9 for right now, shall we? And what? Let's call it, oh, I don't know. That's not very good. That's not a very good name. Let's call it Profitability Analysis, just to keep it consistent, okay? Let's just call this regions. Okay, there we go. So let's get rid of this. Come back over here. Let's just copy the top over here again. All right. And that should be that for that now. So let's come over here. We're going to do something funky. We're actually going to create a dashboard instead. How about that? And we're going to call it subtitle. Now, I'm not sure how this is going. I'm not sure exactly how this is going to work out. Okay. Because basically what happens is subtitle. So by the way, friend, hey, I saw you peek into the chat session. Stop by the chat session and say hi to me, okay? What's wrong here? So this says that it has an empty title, but I don't know why it's saying that. No, it's okay. Okay, good. So let's just first of all, let's do something a little funky. Let's just set up. Let's just set up a table of contents page, okay, containing our 6. As you can see, this is all we have left tonight. Tonight, Wednesday. So a week from Wednesday, we should finish up the our portion of the project and begin working with Okay. Don't quite know how this is going to work, but we'll find out. So that's a table of contents. Now the thing is this: when you do when you use Quattro to create a dashboard, it's going to use whatever after the hashtag as its tab label. So you can wind up with like really large things here. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to do something a little funky here again. We're going to okay. Now this may not make any sense. But what we'll do, we'll use the yeah, I don't think we can actually use okay. Hmm. So why did that work up here? Let's just do this. And page 5. All right. Now the question is, can we actually come over here, for instance, and insert a smaller thing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So let's just run this and see what the initial layout looks like. Holy smoke. And there's nothing there. Okay, it may not like that. What link? So Let's try this. Anything else down here it's wrong? So it looks good. All right. Oh, you know what the trouble is? We don't have a quote. So it came in here and it came back down to this line down here. So now let's try. We just want to take a look and see what the slideshow actually looks at. Okay, this doesn't make any sense. Am I misspelling format? Oh, the trouble is, for whatever reason, it isn't recognizing there we go. You have to have a space after each one of these parameters, okay? So now let's try it again. It's still doing the same thing again, isn't it? Huh. I'm not really sure what the trouble is here. Do you have any ideas? Huh. Okay. I'm going to be perfectly honest. I'm not exactly sure what's causing this. But let's open up a previous thing over here. Nine. No, we already got 9. 8. Let's come over here and copy this. Okay. You are recommended to fix either the opening or closing fence of the code. What are you talking about? I've never had this much trouble before. Now, since everything else ran, okay, trouble could have been there and there. So what do I need to look for? I need to look for all the green arrows, which means this is a valid code, okay? So now let's try it. Now let's come back up here. Run this real quick. Okay, good. That's better. But let's come back up here now. Let's change this back to dashboard. Let's save it. Now this is going to be a vertical dashboard with the well, we'll see. You'll see here. Table of contents, right? Page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4, page 5. So that's close. That's a start, okay? That's a start. All right. Now we're set. All right, now we're set. The trouble is, how do you get rid of this stuff? You know, how do you get rid of this stuff? Like right here. Can we do an echo off? Equals false. Will this work? Something like that. I don't know. So anyway, now let's come back over here. Now we're all set up over here. You can close this down. Let's close down our Python for the next 2 weeks. Come over here again. Let's see, let's upload the our data. Actually, I need a lot of help with the code. Okay, what specifically would you like? Well, okay, since you ask, okay. Okay. Answer the first question, answer 2. We don't need these. We don't really need, we can do up here. Oh, it's actually called sales in it. So what we're going to do is, we're simply going to rename sales to, let's do this. All right. Now look, I know you're out there because I saw your question. So don't be bashful, okay? Okay. We really don't even need that mutate command because let's just make sure. Well, it is POSIX, so let's come back. Let's go and leave that there. So let's run this. And we got 2 plots. We got total profit by region. You can see the central continues to struggle profit-wise, and the profit margin or percent. Okay. Good. I like that answer. Now, with this little heads up, we may only do another. We sort of kind of did that, didn't we? Anyway, I may only do 3 questions tonight, then finish the last 2, 4, and 5 on Wednesday night. Come back next Sunday, do the first part of 10, and then on the following Wednesday, a week from Wednesday, do the last part of the R's of 10. Okay. Now, I asked it about R code earlier, but it didn't seem to see that. Okay. So I'm going to just. To a certain extent, we've already answered that last question, okay? We did, didn't we? Just in case you didn't catch it, I'm actually retrieving the data from a DuckDB database, okay? So, rated by profitability, regions ranked by total sales volumes, regions ranked by profitability. So in terms of ranked by total sales volume, the South comes in 4th, but if we rank it by profitability, total profit, the south is second, and the central is fourth. Okay, so that looks good. Identify regions with declining sales and provide insights on potential causes. Well, that last question sounds like an essay type of question, doesn't it? I mean, we could look at you know, what subcategories are they falling behind in, for instance. We'll see what it says. I replaced the I replaced the battery in the mouse, and now it's like so sensitive I can't really control it sometimes. Sales trends. So while the west is trending upward, the east trend down and then back up. The central, well, the south is actually slowing the side trend upward during the last year, during 22 to 23, while the central showed a slight downtrend. Interesting. Okay, good. So analyze which product category, which product subcategories. We only have one category, and that's furniture, okay? This is an interesting one. Well, is there anything else over here we need to look at? So we could do something like this, okay? We could come over here, right? And underneath 3, we could try something like this. We could try page 3B, okay? Notice something crazy like this. Now, if you're in the background there, speak now or forever hold your peace. we should be able to do something like this. Let's see. Alright, so we'll do one more. I'll give you one more tonight, then we'll call it a night, okay? So, analyze which product and subcategories are the most profitable in each region. Okay, let's see what happens here with this one. Well, you know what? Daggone it. Let's run this and see what happens. So, here we go, table of contents. Alright. You got this. Calculate the total profit for each region. What's the next thing? Got that. Now see, the trouble is the plots aren't very big. That's the thing I haven't got figured out yet. I mean, got to get rid of this content there also. Key features. So here you go. So you see what happened here. The plots are there someplace. All right. But I don't know how to adjust this. See, this doesn't look too bad. Table of contents. Okay. And I don't know, so that's a start. I got a video I got to watch that hopefully explain a lot of how to do this. I got to be able to turn off the output from some of the commands, okay? And that could be simply an echo off. That's a subject for maybe tomorrow or something like that. But anyway, you know what? I'm going to call it a night right here. Let's come back up here. Let's find a nice plot, nice colored plot if we can. So the table of contents doesn't look too bad. So let's save this. All right. And with that, my dear friends, I'm going to bring this session to a close. I'll hold off uploading this code until we complete the project. Again, project 9, finish up project 9 Wednesday. Sunday, start on project 10. The following Wednesday, we finish up project 10, and the Sunday after that, we'll start all over again, project 1 with Python. Okay.